Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off wireless power sharing on this device. So first we should launch the settings application and then scroll down to the battery and device care section. Then we should click here to the battery, scroll a little bit down, and we'll see here the wireless power sharing section. And now just to activate the wireless power sharing feature, we should click here only once on the switcher. Now just we can see that our device ready to charge. How to do that you can see here this tutorial, or just to read it here, and that's it. If you wanna just turn it off, you should click here on the switcher once again. Also, if you wanna change the battery limit, you can decrease it, you can increase it to 80 or 90%. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.